Hey everybody, so a little impromptu video. We weren't expecting to make this video for quite some time, but here we are. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, thank you everyone.
That's crazy. So our channel has exploded in the last, for us exploded, okay. It's exploded in the last 5 days, I guess.
Yeah.
And we've picked up about 350 some odd subscribers. And yeah, we're over 1,000 now. We weren't expecting to make this video until maybe late February, and if we were lucky, all right? And so thank you. This was real quick. I know you're not here to watch 1,000 sub videos, but we think this is important to let you know we are so appreciative. And to go along with that, we're going to give you a little heads up for most of you that are new, and also those of you that have been with us, what's coming up in the next few videos.
So of course we have the obligatory year-end review. So we're going to do a 2018 wrap-up video, talk about our year. It was a fun year. We did a lot of local traveling, so that was really cool. And of course, to go along with that 2018 wrap-up video, what's coming in 2019. We did one of these videos last year. It was a lot of fun. So in the next probably week, we're going to sit down, get out our calendar and plan our year, and we'll sit down and talk with you about some of our trips coming up. Yeah.
So that was one of our tips of owning an RV, is to make the plans. They're so much harder to cancel. You will make the time, and you'll be sure to get more adventures if you actually plan ahead. So that's what we try to do.
That's what we're doing. That's it.
Next up on the list is a couple of fun truck videos. I've speaking to a marketing manager at one of the local Ford dealerships, and I hope to get involved. I think we'll get to be able to do a couple of fun videos with them. Gonna kind of keep that subject matter under wraps, but you know it'll be about trucks, and one of them will be a lot of fun. And the other one will be very informative, actually. So I'm looking forward to those.
Your ideas sound really awesome. So
yeah, I think they'll be good. Yeah. And then also go along with the whole truck thing, we're going to do a shopping for tow vehicles video. Just our experience, what we found shopping for our tow vehicle. We've shopped for now 2 tow vehicles in the last 2011, so 7 years, and we've towed boats. I've towed cargo trailers. We now tow the RV. So what to look for in a tow vehicle, I think that'll help.
Agreed. Yeah. So thanks again. We were so excited about this milestone and hitting it so much earlier than we expected. So thank you everyone who subscribed, and all of our new subscribers, welcome. We're excited.
Absolutely, guys. Have a good one. You good?
You still want me in front of you, or are you going to be in front of me?
All right, and then last up, kind of going along with the whole truck thing, is the shopping. We're going to do a shopping for a tow vehicle. Holy cow.
Try again.
All right, go. And action.
He's going to go talking about shopping for a tow vehicle. It's going to be good. Yeah.
Going along with the truck theme, we're going to go with a shopping. Oh, that's terrible. Holy cow. Why did they mess this up?
The truck theme.
So Tally and Beckett just let the dog out and it started barking. And that's kind of why we're trying to do this
unable
again.
To form sentences.
We had it nailed. Holy cow. All right.
Okay. You got it. You can do this.
I don't know.